All right, so me and Bill are here today at an old resort, and I got a real crappy nickel signal right here, and I dug a shield nickel. I can't tell the date of it. But I didn't get it on film because it was a really crappy nickel signal, and it was basically one of my first ones that I dug. Then I dug Canslaw here. I'm just going around. I'm digging about everything that comes through solid. So I decided to start filming everything. So I got like a zinc type hit. I'm hoping it could be Indian or something. 57. It's really hard to dig here too. It sounds big. Ugh. Yeah, everything's falling apart. Where'd it go? Oh, there's a bullet, guys. Oh, what kind is that? Oh, it's a mini ball. Holy cow. She's been fired too. Look at that. You can see the grooves in it from the rifling. Anyway, wow. It's a 58er, I believe. Huh. All right, got the shield nickel bullet right there, and I'm getting a high 70s. Kind of a nasty signal and target trace. But there I'm getting a two-way hit. 76 to 81. $76, $78. It's really hard to dig here too. There's rocks, saplings, everything. But that bullet wasn't very deep. Neither was the nickel. The nickel was like 3 inches deep. I wonder what this is. There's a rock down there. Get right beside the rock. It's like a shale or something. Cut it out. Oh, it's a I don't know what that is. Oh, it's green. It's a part of a J-hook. It looks like. My glasses all the way down. Yeah. All right, I'm getting another nickel hit. 24, 25, 26. Wonder if that's another shield nickel. Woo! They've done a lot of excavating right around here, see? So, and things are not deep here because it's so rocky here. So maybe that's a nickel right on top of the ground. Or maybe it's not. It's out somewhere. Okay, that's a piece of wire. Pretty sure that's not it. So we got. Still 24, 25. Well, deep here. Is it over here? Where is it? Where? Oh, there's a nickel right here. Look. It must have been on edge. That is another shield nickel, man. Yep, that's what it is. Sweet. That's two. All right, getting to 43 here. $41 to $43. Oh. Probably slaw, but man, I've went about 20 minutes without a good signal. It is a bullet brass. I might have two signals here. Getting a pretty decent hit there, except starting to build on the line here. Now getting the high 80s. Let's see what it is. It's a trashy hit, but still good enough for me to dig. Deep. Oh, so many roots. Rocks and roots, rocks and roots. Come on. Well, there's a big root right here. Trying to get around it. Man. You can see that root right there. Okay, getting something. I think I'm getting something. No? See what Mr. M says. Oh, still sounds decent, man. Might be over here. What's it? Probably trashed out over there. It says it's over here, or something's over here. I moved it. Got it in my hand. Oh, there's a coin. There's a coin. What is that? Oh, I believe it's an Indian. Deep Indian. Looks like a 1883 Indian. See what else is in that hole. Open it up. I got iron and a 9 and a 15. See, I got 0 to 14 discriminated out. So when I open it up, I get a low tone, and then I get iron tone. And got Indian. Sweet.